It was an itsy bitsy teeny weeny yellow polka dot bikini that she wore for the first time today.
We're here today to talk about bikini waxing. Now, the first thing we need to do is determine what kind of bikini waxing you need. So, if you're planning on wearing a bikini like this, you just need a regular, plain old bikini line waxing. It should take about 15 minutes to do. Now, if you're going to wear something skimpier, maybe like this, you're going to need a high sides bikini line waxing. And maybe a little off the top too. That should take, maybe 15 minutes to a half hour. Now, if you're going to wear something like this, you're going to need a Brazilian waxing. So, Jen, what waxing do you think you might need today?
Brazilian.
She's going to wear one of these. So we're going to do a Brazilian wax today. So let's talk about what you might want to wear when you're getting waxed. Well, you don't want to wear these. These are all pretty, and I might get wax on them, so you don't want to wear these. You might want to wear something like these. Something's old, that's old, you don't care about too much. Gets a little wax on it, it doesn't matter. Some salons have these. These are little disposables. Now, I find that most people feel comfortable in their own underwear, so wear something skimpy, something old, doesn't matter if wax gets on it. Now, Jen has been waxed halfway already, so we're going to start on the other half. Alright, so when you wax, you want to make sure the hair is long enough. It needs to be about 1/4 inch long. So if you're shaving it, you're going to need to wait about 10 days to 2 weeks for the hair to be long enough. If you're already waxing, your wax usually lasts about 3 to 6 weeks, and then you're ready to wax again. You can see it goes pretty quick and easy. Now, if your skin is sunburned, you can't wax. And if you have any kind of rash, you don't want to wax that either. Some people have eczema, you got to be careful with that. You also can't wax if you are taking Accutane or tetracycline, because your skin might get abrasions on it, the skin will peel. So you want to avoid that. You want to avoid sun tanning 24 hours before and 24 hours after waxing, because your skin will be sensitive. Waxing takes a little bit of dead skin off, leaving your skin a little bit sensitive. It'll look a little bit red after you wax, and it'll last maybe an hour or two. Then you might have little red dots remaining where the hairs were, but that's usually gone in a day. When your waxing is finished, you want to avoid hot water because your skin might be a little sensitive. You want to avoid wearing tight clothes like tight jeans, just because your skin might be sensitive. I always wax in little strips, because I think it hurts less that way, and you get a better wax. Kind of feels like a Band-Aid when it pulls off. And you want to keep your leg bent. Pulls the skin tighter. The tighter the skin, the less it hurts. And the more you wax, the less it hurts. The hairs start to become a little weaker, easier to pull, and you get used to the feeling. people seem to be prone to ingrown hairs when they shave. Waxing helps cut down on your ingrown hairs, but you might still get some. So what you can do is use a body scrub. That'll help take dead skin off, and then the hair comes easily to the surface. You can also try, there's some different lotions you can use that have some salicylic acid in them. That also helps the hairs come to the surface so they wax easier. Alright, Jen, now that light can go up. You get to do a little yoga too while you're getting your waxing done. After I wax, I always apply a nice soothing lotion. You can always apply more at home if your skin feels sensitive. Alright, that light can come down. And that's it. She's all waxed, and there was no screaming at all.
From the shore to the water, guess there isn't